got the coolers going first thing this morning. Got the YouTube on. Got a little early morning start. Just got to take this side apart. I got the driver's side apart already. So I just got to jump over to that side. Debating if I should pull the fuse box or if I should use my skinny arms and get between here. I know I got to take the alternator loose to get to the front bolt. Let's get it. Getting all the spark plugs taken out, like the little Steve Morrison spark plug holder. That way I keep them in order, front of the engine, back of the motor. Usually I take the fuse box out, but last couple ones been able to use advantage of my skinny forearm. Get myself in there. A little more manual labor, because with the fuse box out of my way, I'm able to fit like a ratchet down in there. Takes a little easier, but in the long run, it takes about the same time, and it's less parts coming off the car. I already got the driver's side all the way apart. Getting it as loose as I possibly can. See, you got the fan. It's hot. Even early in the morning up in here, it's hot. Whew. Got it out. All right, so now I just got to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 manifold bolts out. This manifold will drop down. Start putting the Kooks headers in. Little trick. The wrench keeps falling off and it's hard to fit both of your hands in there. Put a little pry bar up against it. You don't even got to apply really much pressure. It's just to hold it there. Get the bolt all the way loose. Just the labor part y'all don't see. All them little twists and turns be having your forearms and shit on fire. Cut up from reaching in. Got it though. Oh, that one hit the ground. Got the manifold out. Go ahead and grab the bolt. Go up in the air. Manifold is out. I know my lights are probably super bright, but get the manifold off. One side here, X pipe. It's also got a Corsa on it already, Corsa muffler, so should sound pretty nice with all the Kooks stuff. Let's go ahead and start putting it back together. Open up Kook box. Section C7 only. X section. And they got everything all labeled nice. Front connections. This must be the X pipe, I would say. The midsection. And then we got some Kooks clamps. Little note. Got some anti-seize for the nuts on this thing. Get this other one opened up. These are gonna be the headers. Woo. A little dusty. Woo. Look at this baby. Right here. Oh yeah, that's nice. Woo, that's gonna fit up there nice. Easy access to all the bolts. The passenger side right here, right hand. Go ahead and put my headlamps above my head. Look at that perfect fit, man. And it bolts up just like that. Let's go ahead, lower the car down, and we'll get all the bolts in both sides. I got this side just hanging up over here between the motor mount and there, but I'll pull it up, get all the gaskets and bolts in, and then we'll build backwards. Go ahead and pull this up. So I'm gonna get the gasket out of the box first, right here. Go ahead and cut this open real quick. Got some wiring for the extension for the rear with the header gasket. See, that's what I'm talking about, multi-layer steel, a new set of bolts. Alright, got a couple of new bolts over here. So we'll fish the gasket down in here. We'll pull the ball tube header up. Keep it lined up. And I usually just grab a bolt. Gotta use that forearm strength. A few threads started, and then we'll start making our way towards the back. Promise you, some of this stuff is a lot harder than it looks. It ain't easy. This is the tedious ones in the back. Have you laying across the fender just to get it on. Whew. Go ahead and get these all the way tightened down and then jump over to the passenger side. Alright, we got the header locked all the way down. Go ahead and get these spark plugs back in. And then we'll get the wires back on and then put the cover back on and all that. I'll just finish up this side because that's going to be the challenging side over there for sure. I'll give you all bird's eye view. Put this damn spark plug in the hole. There we go. It's just so close to that damn header tube. Felt like it was crooked. Right, this side, hold up. I'm gonna do the hardest bolt first, which is this front one. Get that through. Need some leverage. Okay. Forearm strength. Find the hole. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna do the back first, because getting this shit to line up on the other side, starting in the middle, might be the easiest one to tack up, but man, that shit is a fight. And there ain't no room on this side either, so you guys are right here with me seeing how it's done. What I'm gonna do, make my life a little easier, what I did on this side. Dropping the clamp. Make my life just a tad easier. gasket's not getting stuck. Header's coming up. Now it's folding back. What's up though? It's a lot easier to line the gasket up with it. Can I keep going up? Yep. Okay, now it's starting to pull back. Get this gasket to meet up. Whew. Very awkward angle to be at. Got this back one starting. Man, I'll tell you, lining these headers up sometimes is a pain. I usually take the fuse box, but on this one, I decided to be a little easier, less time consuming to do it this way. I already got a super busy day, so getting this done as fast as possible, but in a very, very clean manner is my goal. And that's what's gonna happen. We haven't even opened yet. Got here a little early this morning to get going on it, but yeah, getting the bolts in, gonna get it a little snugged up and then get these other ones a little closer. This front one is the hardest one. I mean, if the alternator is not there, it's the hardest one to get to. But with the alternator out the way, makes it a little easy. And I'm just going in by hand with all of them to make sure nothing's going in crooked. Man, this is such a tight fit in here. Get in. NCC's on the threads. That way we ain't gotta worry about this shit seizing up. Hate touching this stuff. It's everywhere. All over the thread. That way none of this stuff seizes up per Kooks instructions. All over. I already put on these two. Oh. It's a little final look of underneath. Try to get some of these stickers off. Some of them don't like to peel off. Some of them do. But just a little look all the way to the rear. We got the mufflers lined up nicely back here. Everything's looking good. Let me go turn this water off or I'll overfill the cooler. We don't want to do that. Alright, so let's get this wheel put back on. And yeah, got all the old stuff back there. Got the plate back in, all the bolts in place. See, it's got a lot of clearance right there. I'm gonna just try to get some of these stickers off. But yeah, nice and clean. Kooks. Let's take a picture real quick. Ugh. With the plate on it. Move my camera lens. There we go. Be a nice picture, maybe with a flash. Let's see. Behind the scenes of the Instagram post. Probably with the headers like that.